Fall by Wayne Shorter. So this is my second video about this song, and I have a different chart this time from the first real book, and you can print it out if you like. And what I thought I'd run over is to keep the character of the song, and by that I kind of mean the harmonic. You know, the chords have a certain color, and if you use in your improvisation the right scales for those chords, it will retain that same color. Like, for instance, if I did F sharp 7 sus and used that scale, you know, it sounds like the first measure of the song. If I did like the altered scale, it doesn't really sound like the song. So I want to try to use in my improv the right scale. So here I'm going to use what is that? I guess that is Dorian. No, it can't be Dorian. It's just Mixolydian. Right, because it's a B scale. 13 with the flat 9, definitely the diminished. E sus, well, let's see, I guess it would be A major. Yes. And then E flat major with the flat 5, the Lydian. So it's really a B flat scale, but this is a mode of B flat, which we call Lydian. So first line again. Oh, that was a minor scale. Let me try that again. Same thing on the next line, pretty much. Probably Lydian here. And let me use the other image now that I'm on the second two lines. I've just learned how to do this, so there it is. Okay. Yeah, 13 with the flat 9. There's the flat 9 and the 13. Yeah, same diminished scale, I believe, as the B. Yes, as the B. Yeah. So that's a unifying factor in this song. G minor, that's the Dorian. And probably Dorian here too. That's the Lydian. And once again, the F sharp Mixolydian. So using those scales, I'll try to take a decent improv, though I never practice or play this song. So wish me luck. So my main concern is how to get to that B chord. It hasn't sounded very convincing yet. So I got to get the right couple of notes. Something around in there sounds like it might work. here I like it's kind of an A minor over B, but I just kind of disagree with that chord there. All right, I failed. Let me try some more. And I think I was more successful that time because every time I got to the B chord, I went for that 13 there, and that helped, suggestive of the melody. My thought with this video is to give more to my Patreon subscribers. I really do appreciate you all, and just thought maybe I should put up things a lot more often, and I tried to find a simpler way to do this, so I'm using my OBS system here. So I'm not going to spend any time editing these videos, and I'll try to keep them very short and keep them kind of frequent. And please make suggestions because I'd love to hear from you. All right, thanks very much, and see you again soon.